So we were talking about the adjective. When you compare with two things, we use the er word. Tall become taller, small become smaller, tiny become tinier, then large becomes larger. With the adjective you use er word. So when you compare two things, you are using the comparative degree. When you are comparing two things, you are using the comparative degree. Now between these two circles, you are only comparing these two things. Now this circle is small, that's a positive degree. But when you are comparing with this, you use the comparative degree. The first circle is small, so the second circle is little more bigger, isn't it? Now we are not using the word here small, we are using big. This circle is big. The second circle is bigger than the first circle. The second circle is bigger than the first circle. So here we use the term, instead of big, here become bigger. When you are comparing, you use the term bigger. We add er, not only er, here double the word, okay, bigger, because the word is got a stress there as bigger, not bigger. We are not saying bigger, we are saying bigger. B-I-G-G-E-R. So this is the comparative degree. Now when you compare only two things, we use the comparative degree. Keep in mind, when we compare two things, we use the comparative degree. Now between me and another person I am comparing. I am tall, but a person who is more taller than me, I use she is taller than me, or Anu is taller than me, or Gina is taller than me. Follow. Now two apples, one is small, one is little more big. How do you compare? Yes, the second apple is bigger than the, now I use the term here small, but I was trying to make you understand the difference of the size. How do you compare? You compare the size, you compare the height, you compare the beauty, then you compare, some people will be fat, so that's a positive degree. Fatter, fattest. Say I am fat. A person who is little more fat, we call fatter, and the person who is more fatter, we call fattest. Follow. So for comparative degree, we use er with the adjective. So now let's take page number 48. Now here three pictures are given here of three children. Three pictures are given here. One is Sumit, Saurav and Samir. Now this is the positive degree. He says Sumit is tall. This is a positive degree. Now comparative degree, Sumit is taller. Now when it is the superlative degree, we say yes, Samir is the tallest. When you use the superlative degree, we use the tallest. When you are comparing, you say than. I am taller than you. You are smaller than me. Sheena is fatter than, you can compare with another person, fatter than Sahina. Follow. So you use than for comparative degree and the for superlative degree. Now here how do you compare? I will just tell you. Sumit is tall, Saurav is taller than, see I use the term here than, Saurav is taller than Sumit, and Samir is the tallest of the two children here. Okay, is the tallest, so the tallest. So let us fill in the blanks with correct adjectives, comparative or superlative degree. You can use the comparative degree. I told you, when you use the comparative degree, we are only comparing with two people or two things. But if it is with more than 2 persons, it will be the superlative degree. Right. My father is dash than my mother. We are only comparing with 2 people. So what do we use? Yes, we use as taller. T-A-L-L-E-R. Taller. This is the comparative degree. This is the comparative degree. Yesterday was the. Now the term used here, the dash day of the season. So between that season, there were many days. So that was the dash day. What is it? Yes, the hottest. So that is the superlative degree. H-O-T-T-E-S-T. That is the superlative degree. That's a superlative degree. Now let's move on to the third one. What is the third one? Amit is a dash boy. We are not comparing with anyone. It's only a positive degree. So what word can be used? Yes, sweet boy. But that doesn't mean his taste is sweet. Here, sweet boy means such a nice person. Fourth one, Tanu is dash. Now we are not comparing anyone with Tanu. Tanu is tall. No, Tanu is clever. It's not tall. Clever. It's a positive degree. Now what is it? Tarun is cleverer. Tarun is cleverer. But Tia is the cleverest. Now 3 people we are comparing with. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Tia is the cleverest of the 3. The first person is clever. Second person we said cleverer. Third person cleverest. Now Suman is dash as Anil. That means we are not comparing. We are talking about as. That means same. There is no comparison. So Suman is as lazy as. Both are of the same kind. So lazy. What do you write there? Lazy. L-A-Z-Y. Suman is as lazy as who? Yes, Anil. Now next one is some places we do not add ER or EST. For beauty you say more beautiful, most beautiful. Intelligent, more intelligent, most intelligent. We don't use yes intelliger or intelligist. We don't say more. Now interest, interesting, more interest, more interesting and most interesting. More interesting and most interesting. Let's move on to page number 49. Now here there are some profession. Profession means the job, a person working. It is called a profession. Now teaching is a profession. Engineer, that is a profession. Doctor, it's a profession. Now here the jobs are given. Astronaut, musician, doctor, woodcutter. And some tools are given. The things what they use for their work. The first one is an axe. Who uses that? Yes, the woodcutter, person who cuts the tree. So write the woodcutter. Second one is a spacecraft. Who uses that? Astronaut. Who uses? The astronaut. Now next is a tabla. Who uses this? Musician. Yes, musician. A person who is playing in the concert or for some troupe. Next one is a stethoscope. Who uses that? Yes, the doctor. Now we have to match the words, food words. Sweet. What is sweet here? The first box it is given sweet. Sa. It is not sour. Okay. Mostly people say so. Sa. It's a taste. In Malayalam you say puli. A tamarind. Tamarind is a sa taste. It gives a sa taste. Sometimes orange is also a sa. Curd or yogurt, it becomes sir. Sa, not sir, okay, sa. Not sour, mind that, not sour, S-O-U-R is sa. You will read that sa. Salty, when you add more salt to your rice or to your curry, it becomes very salty. The taste becomes salty. Bitter, there is a vegetable which is very bitter. Some medicines are all bitter. Bitter gourd. This is a bitter gourd is, yes, bitter gourd is bitter. Now here sweet. What is sweet here? Yes, apple is sweet. Sour. What is sour here? Yeah, lime is sour and salty. Seawater is salty. Bitter. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is bitter. Now here rewrite the sentences using full stop, question marks and capital letter. Rohan is talking on the phone. So Rohan here it is given as small letter. So Rohan you have to write it capital letter, is talking on the phone, after that full stop. Where is Vijay going? Where? W capital, Vijay capital, and it's an interrogation sentence, so you use question mark. So please go through all this and learn your question answers. Go through your grammar part thoroughly and keep revising. So in the next class we start with the revision. Okay, see you.